Welcome to Hello Main Street. I'm your host, Monica Sanchez, and we are here talking about tips, tricks, and ideas for fellow entrepreneurs just like you. This time around, it's going to be a little special. I am doing a shout out here for our recent graduates. I have been to three graduations within this past week, and it always fills my heart and just gets me excited to see what they're going to do in their next adventures in life. Oftentimes they'll be like, hey, I'm going to take a gap year and I'm going to go travel the world. Great, that's wonderful. What about if you are like going to go to college and figure it out from there? Or what if college isn't for you and you're like, I want to get a good job. I don't know what career I want to get into, and I kind of want to dabble. For most students, they will, because they don't have a lot of experience, they tend to go into fast food. And so I came across this wonderful opportunity for students that are recently graduated, so 18 to 23. It is with the Washington State Department of Transportation. Now, as you know, I'm starting to learn more about transportation. And as I do, I'm seeing more opportunities, especially for young people, which is awesome and amazing all at the same time, right? So if you are between 18 and 23, and you're thinking, I want to work within a good organization, get benefits, get paid to learn, and to grow within an organization, then this may be a good opportunity for you. It's called High School to Highways. Now, this is new to me, so I'm still learning all the information, and you feel free to go ahead and check it out for yourself. There's a way to contact people, but what I like is that you are working with the Washington State DOT, and you can actually kind of work within the different departments to see what skill sets best suit you, what job best suits you, from working out into the maintenance to working probably in the financial department. So, and maybe somewhere everywhere in between. If this is something that you're like, I want to learn more about, I highly recommend for you to do that. Go to Washington DOT, again, high school to highways. It's a great way to do that. And when I was reading the article, it's a pilot program that started in 2020. Excuse me, looks like 2020 program. Okay, there's someone who started in 2021. But anyways, the pilot program, he even went to college. So he was able to work and go to college and receive the advantages of getting his tuition assistance. So don't think that if you go into a field that you necessarily have to give up or forego getting your education if you want to go higher with that. But it's a great opportunity. I think it's amazing. I definitely would have you check it out, see what you think, and definitely give me some feedback. What was your experience? What was it that you found that could benefit you, or is it not a realm for you, and why not? So I hope this helps. This is just a short, brief little intro to something different and new. And as I continue to learn more information about these different industries, I'm happy to share them with everybody. So thank you so much. Once again, if you are interested in connecting with me, please feel free to do so. Connect with me on Monica Sanchez B2B on LinkedIn. Thank you and have a wonderful day.